Welcome to the episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator back on the video. Yeah, I'm chucking my nose a little bit, but we're back on the video, and I want to talk about my skin. I have a couple items here that I like, and I'm going to talk about my skin for a little bit. Face and body. So get ready. Okay, got some new things here. And after I talk about my skin, I'm going to talk about my hair. So, skin and hair today. Hair and skin. Let's start with, I don't know, should we start with hair? I think we should start with hair. No, I got skin stuff already prepped up, so let's go ahead and get started on that. So, let's start with the face. I'm going to start with the face. This is something that I got from Buzz Agent. That is BZZAGENT. And this is the Milani Gel Cleanser. The Milani Glow Gel Cleanser. It gently cleanses and removes makeup. It has electrolyte plus coconut water blend with vitamin C and E derivatives. Derivatives. It rinse, hydrates, and glows perfectly. It rinses and hydrates skin and gives you that lovely glow afterwards. And on top of that, it has a light coconut scent, which I love. I love that light coconut scent. So, of course, this is something to really look out for. So, basically, what you would do is you would just rinse your face with water and then just put this on and massage it into the skin and then rinse. Daily usage really works. Next up, we got this stuff right here. As you can see, I love this stuff because it's almost on. This is, I don't know if it's, no, this is Botanics. This is their All Bright with Hibiscus Micellar 3-in-1 Cleaning Solution. It is good for all skin types. Let's see, yes. So like I said, this is their All Bright with Hibiscus 3-in-1 Micellar 3-in-1 cleansing solution for all skin types. I use this for makeup remover, but I also use this to keep my skin nice and healthy. There is no alcohol in this, so it doesn't really irritate the skin with alcohol of any kind. So it's definitely good, and this smells great. So good. Next up, we have Biome Dry Skin Lotion. This is good for filaggrin deficient skin. So this is good for dry skin. This is also for daily use, and so is hibiscus. Good for daily use as well. But yes, this is good for dry skin. I normally use this for my body. I don't use it for my face because I have the Milani and the Botanics. So I just use this for my face. I got this as a sample. This is a beautiful sample too. So sample companies. This is good. Yeah. So okay, so yeah, this is good for dry skin. This is considered to be, it says it right here, it's considered to be a pad cream. I'm not sure what that means. But yeah, this is pretty good. And I absolutely love stuff that's great for skin. Last but not least, we got some good old-fashioned lotion. Now, this is something I bought. This is Being Well Daily Moisturizer Lotion. This also soothes my dry skin. You know how lotion does. It has vitamin E and B5. It provides dry skin relief for 24 hours, and it is not greasy. It's non-greasy and fast absorbent. So, oh, the pump not working. Alright. Dang, what? My pump not working? I barely used it. Oh, child. I feel like, oh, there it is. There it is. There you go. So, yeah, that's what it looks like. Really nice. Really well for the skin. And especially after you wash your hands, definitely get some good lotion. Definitely great for the skin. Definitely good for my face as well. Because it doesn't have that crazy scents. Really good. I think this cost me about like $3 or $4.99. Next up, we're going to do hair. I'm only going to do 2 products today. Shout out to Influencer. They always send me some really good stuff. Wow. Okay, yeah, I got the bottom. Slippery hands. Sorry, so let's start with... Oh, not both of my medicines now. Alright, so today, let's talk about this. This is from their Wig and Weave collection. This is Shea Moisture's Wig and Weave Tea Tree and Borage or Barrage Seed Oil Residue Remover Shampoo. So this is for anyone who wears like lace fronts and stuff like that, and you're tacking it down with the lace front glue and stuff. They have an entire collection of good items, and this is one of them. This is their residue remover shampoo. So what this does is that after you take off the wig or the weave that is on top of your head, you use this to kind of get rid of that the residue from the adhesive. Really good stuff. And it smells dope too. Really, really good. Really, really good. And it's a nice, beautiful liquid. Really amazing. Yes. Oh! I just got this computer and I'm about to put stuff all over it. Yeah. Oh gosh, why did I put that on my lips? But it smells good. It's a really nice texture, bro. Really nice texture. I call it... Oh, it got on my screen. That's even better. Yeah, really nice texture. Love it. Love it. Great stuff. And last but certainly not least, this is an item that I wanted for a while. An influencer sent it, and I am so happy that they did. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Shea Moisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie with Silk Protein and Neem Oil. When I tell you, I've been wanting to use this for a while because, as you remember, back in 2016, I got a perm. I got a perm for braids, which was not, do not do that. Do not do that to yourself at all. Like, nah. But yeah, I got a perm, and since then, my curls, you know, I grew out the perm, as you can tell, but my curl ain't really been popping, so I'm glad I got this hair out, because I'm going to use that. Okay, for example, yes. So, this pretty much curls the hair. And when I tell you, the smell is an obsession. Bro, the smell, this hair, crack, you hear me? Crack. And it came in this big ass jar. Beautiful. It helps to define curls, restore moisture, reduce frizz, and create shine. And it's great for conditioning hair without weighing it down for bouncy and healthy curls. And it has no parabens or any type of mineral oils or phthalates. No mineral oil. It has not been amber tested. And no petrolatum. So what you do is you section your hair, right? And then you apply this a little bit to the hair. And you don't rinse it out. See that? No. Bruh. Check that out. Now, you saw my hair before that. You would be like, what? That? Did you? Wait a minute. Come on, snap back. Did y'all see that? Wait a minute. Bruh. I'm using that for real. That is insane. And that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you to Influencer and Buzz Agent for the awesome products. And shout out to me because I need to do this more often to my hair. Especially if I see that curl pop back and it snap back like crazy. Our review, it is on something different opposed to this. So I will upload that. And then I'm going to upload this video. But I love you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Goddamn curl. Bye, y'all.